Hi, my name's Sophie of Ember29, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics to your Squarespace website. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to your Google Analytics account, and once you're there you'll either need to sign in or make a new account. Once you've done that, click the cog in the bottom left hand corner. This will bring up a page that looks like this. You can then click on Tracking Info and Tracking Code. This will bring up your tracking ID. You'll need to copy that and head back to your Squarespace website. Head down to Settings, click Advanced, and then click External API Keys. Then you can paste in your tracking code into the account number section. Once you click Save in the top left, your website will be connected to Google Analytics. We also have another tutorial on how to connect your website to Google Search Console, which is all about looking at the health of your website, so please do check that out. And we'll be uploading lots of new tutorials over the next coming weeks, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested.